what we've been driving across employees and across our suppliers is what I think is required to be done by everybody. And if we come together on decarbonization, then only we'll be able to achieve.
So thank you so much for giving your time for this interview, and I hope you're having a good time here at this event. So to start with the first question, so what is the theme of your showcase this time at IREE 2023, and what are some of the technologies that you are exhibiting today here at this event?
Thank you for this great opportunity to talk to Rail Analysis, and we've been associated with Rail Analysis from long. The theme of this IRE is all about showcasing rolling stock. So what we have this time is a product offering which you can see on the experience center room here, is that a combined solution to the customer which is going to take, reduce and increase the efficiency. Okay, so this time we are offering something which is unique not only to Indian Railways but also to the railway segment in terms of the product offering as a combined solution.
Thank you so much. So my next question is that fluid controls, it is an approved R&D center by Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, and based on your experience and expertise, where do you think that India should focus today when it plans heavily to invest in R&D?
In fact, if you see from 1974, which is the inception year of fluid controls, the technology was the focus because the founder himself was a doctorate in mechanical engineering. Today, fluid controls is recognized by DSIR. We have got 2 global US patents to our granted patents, I would say, to our credentials. We have 2 Indian patents. Now, technology is only the differentiator which customer can really get attracted to. So, what I would suggest and I would recommend and I would see that in Indian Railways, all suppliers should mainly focus on the technology, which definitely will bring in the cost optimization. Lower the cost, good is the supplier, or lower the cost and good is the, I would say, technology. Let us not correlate all these things. It should be the best technology and the optimum cost. And for that, I think Indian industry is really gearing up, and towards that, such certifications like DSIR, having patent, intellectual property, really differentiates the customer or the supplier from the customer's perspective, and we are good at that, and I think we are proud of it.
Thank you so much for this. Now I would like to talk about the centers of excellence. So what is the future of the centers of excellence, as they are gaining a lot of momentum today and have the potential to shape the future of the manufacturing sector in India? So yeah, you can.
See, center of excellence, the concepts come from where you have expertise coming in together. Now we know that one finger cannot do anything, 5 fingers makes it a good strength. So the center of excellence coming in together is going to be a very good thing for not only railway industries but Indian manufacturing industry as well. So that you are good in one technology, other is good in other technology, 2 things coming in together will be really great. Cost optimization, expertise maximization and the customer benefit. So the center of excellence, like say what we are talking now, is hydro pneumatic manufacturing product excellence, will be an ideal center of excellence where fluid control is ready and want to get in together with the like-minded people on this expertise of manufacturing.
Thank you so much for this. And the next, I would like you to speak on how do you ensure the customer satisfaction for your products that has application in the Indian Railways?
In fact, one of the things which I would really want to highlight here with Indian Railways is that the technology and the knowledge base with Indian Railways is humongous. The supplier who want to learn from Indian Railways as a expertise from their design centers, manufacturing centers is huge. Fluid Controls has been working with Indian Railways from 1978. Indian Railways has really not only helped us develop our good products but also maintain the quality. So the customer satisfaction with Indian Railways is what I would say is best delivery without talking the quality, and of course the optimized cost. And fluid controls been maintaining that thing with all Indian railway manufacturing, whether you are talking of shades or the wagon manufacturers or loco manufacturers. And I think the customer satisfaction speaks for fluid controls growth in Indian railways from 1978 and the consistency of it.
That's great. Thank you for this answer. The last question I would like you to answer is what are the strategies your company has set to achieve the decarbonization when you manufacture and deliver this product for use to customers?
Rather, I would suggest that every manufacturer, whether it's upcoming also or existing also, decarbonizations and or sustainability, what we also can say the other way, is one of the theme they should have. Now in our case, for example, in decarbonization we are trying to cut down or use the coolant oil again and again. We have stopped using the wooden boxes. We have a solar panel cells on our factory, the tree plantations, etc. What we've been driving across employees and across our suppliers is what I think is required to be done by everybody. And if we come together on decarbonization, then only we'll be able to achieve. Otherwise, everybody doing their bit is not going to make a big difference to the country as such. But the decarbonization efforts needs to be driven by every manufacturing and every customer in this industry for sure.